From the peeler, the peeled logs are then fed directly into the Weber 604 slicer.
Introducing Express Logic, they're developers of a high-performance, royalty-free, very small RTOC.
We achieve this using what's called a buffering belt inside the tray sealer.
We wanted to introduce our exciting product line that you see on your right there through performance, specifically through a lot of magic.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Multivac booth here at the 2009 AMI Worldwide Food Expo. My name is Tim. Today we are going to demonstrate for you the most advanced slicing and packaging technology available in the industry in terms of sanitary design, precision automation, high-speed performance, and even track and trace capability. When we reach the end of the packaging line, you will see how you can have the latest technology available while also saving significant floor space in your facility. Now, today's demonstration here in the Multivac booth features slicing technology from our partners at Weber Incorporated. Multivac and Weber have collaborated on more than 1,500 installations worldwide, giving us the experience to provide a completely seamless line with zero integration issues. So without further ado, we're going to begin with our demonstration. We start with our whole logs of salami on the Weber peeler, which buffers up to 15 logs at a time and peels up to 5 full logs per minute. Now the peeler hygienically removes the clipping casing without scoring the product. So with no human contact with the product, this greatly reduces the risk of product contamination. We're going to speak more of that in just a moment, but first, from the peeler, the peeled logs are then fed directly into the Weber 604 slicer. This state-of-the-art slicer automatically buffers and loads the product into position for precision slicing using its orbital knife head and stainless steel blade, which moves at up to 600 RPMs. Now, other features of the 604 slicer include a center product lift, and this accommodates a wide variety of geometric shapes and reduces changeover times. Gripper control product feed for maximum yield and slice quality, and a hygienic dynamic check weigher accurate to 1/10 of a gram. Now, from the slicer, the sliced product is then fed into a compact loader, which groups portions together to match the die layout of the packaging machine. Over here during our demonstrations, customers can see how it indexes in complete synchronization with the packaging machine, allowing for hands-free loading. Now, this completely automatic and hands-free operation from peeling to slicing to conveying, which we're going to show you in a moment, continues all the way through the packaging line. This is a tremendously strong defense against potential contamination in your production. Okay, one other note about the Weber and Multivac equipment: both come standard with intuitive, user-friendly, Windows-based touchscreen control panels. You have the option of running the full line through a single control system. Now, the sliced and shingled product here will be conveyed to the Multivac R245 thermoform packaging system. The Multivac's already formed the lower part of the package from a roll of semi-rigid film. Now, for our demonstration purposes, in full synchronization with the slicer, the product gets deposited right into these formed pockets. Meanwhile, the top web of film, or the sealing film, is being prepared right here to form the top of the package. Now, for our demonstration today, we're applying a printable label to the top film using a Multivac top space-saving labeler. The labeled film then is deposited or unspooled into position. After the package is flushed with a modified atmosphere tailored to the demands of our demonstration today, the top film is then sealed hermetically to form the complete package. Now, a Multivac traversing system for thermal transfer printing is used to print a 2D barcode and a use-by date simultaneously on selected areas or designated areas of the label and film. And right about this point here, we will have a package that is sealed, labeled, and printed. It then passes through its first inspection station, a product placement detector, where any empty pockets or packages with non-compliant product contents are detected and logged into the system memory. Now, just to be clear, this refers to the parameters you set pertaining to size and density of product. The packages then pass through a vision system where they are inspected for compliance with the specific parameters you set. Now for our demonstration today, we are checking for label presence, label location, verification of barcode presence, and proper film registration. Information now on every individual package obtained from both the product presence detector and the vision system are going to be transferred to the handling unit in a moment. But first, right over here, the packages are actually cut and transferred out of the packaging machine and onto the in-feed conveyor of the Multivac HO50 handling module, which is right about here. This is amazing because the HO50, it's already armed with all of the information it needs to complete the orders that you want it to. It knows exactly where the bad packages are as determined by the upstream product presence detector and the vision system. Now if you take a look at the HO50 here, it's actually consuming a very small piece of space here. It actually extends about 3 additional feet of machine space from the end of the line, which is pretty nice. In a traditional configuration with a system of converging conveyors, you would need at least 3 times that much space to accomplish the same tasks we accomplished here. So to sum it up today, you have seen just one of countless potential configurations of a seamless, completely automated, end-to-end slicing and packaging line that delivers the industry's most advanced sanitary machine design. That level of hygiene is further enhanced by the fact that there's been no human contact from the point the product is sliced to when it is hermetically sealed.